Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW 4 Series mirror caps. Start by parking on level ground and switching off the ignition, then gather your trim tool, replacement caps, and a microfiber cloth. Inspect the new caps for correct fit and color before you begin. Keep all screws and clips organized in a small tray. Work in a shaded area to avoid adhesive issues and to protect painted surfaces. Begin removal by carefully angling the mirror to expose edges of the cap and locking tabs. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry between the cap and mirror shell, moving slowly around the perimeter to release clips one by one. Keep a steady hand and avoid metal tools that can scratch paint. Place removed caps and clips in an organized area so you don't lose parts and can compare fittings to the new caps. Fit the replacement cap by aligning its tabs with the mirror shell anchors and pressing gently to seat each clip. Work methodically from one side to the other, applying even pressure until you hear distinct clicks as clips engage. Check that the cap sits flush, with no gaps or raised edges, and adjust if necessary. Reconnect any electrical heaters or indicators if applicable and verify mirror functions correctly before road testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.